Cucumbers. Crunchy, refreshing, perfect for salads, pickles, and awkward spa water. But what if I told you your cucumbers could grow better, stronger, and with fewer pests, if they had the right friends? Welcome to the world of companion planting, where plants help each other out like leafy little besties. In this video, you'll learn the top 7 plants that make awesome cucumber companions, what to avoid, and how to build a cucumber dream team in your garden. And of course, we're using the Strong Echo AI gardening app to guide every step, because guessing is for game shows, not your garden. Get any question answered instantly. Comment Cuke Crew if you've tried companion planting, or Team Pickle if you're just here for the crunch. Like and subscribe if you've ever planted 2 things too close together and created a vine-based tangle of regret. Let's get those cukes some support. You can grow it. 1. Nasturtiums, the Aphid lightning rods. Why they help cucumbers. Nasturtiums are trap crops. They attract aphids, cucumber beetles, and whiteflies away from your cukes like a floral distraction tactic. Planting tips. Direct sow around cucumber beds once the soil warms to 65 degrees and plus. Sow 1 hand deep, 10 to 12 apart. Full sun equals more blooms, equals better trap crop results. You can even train them to cascade over the edge of raised beds. Mistakes to avoid. Letting them get overwhelmed with pests. Check and remove infested plants before they become a bug resort. Over-fertilizing equals lots of leaves, no flowers, and it's the flowers that do the work. Planting too far from your cucumbers, keep them in the danger zone. 2. Dill, the defender with fronds. Why they help cucumbers. Dill attracts beneficial predators, ladybugs, parasitic wasps, hoverflies, the insect mafia that feeds on cucumber pests. Planting tips. Direct sow, don't transplant. Dill has a taproot. Plant 12 to 18 away from cucumbers so they don't shade them. Thin seedlings to 8-10 for good airflow. Bonus, use it fresh or dried for pickling your future cucumbers. Mistakes to avoid. Planting too close equals shade plus airflow drama. Forgetting to succession plant equals dill flowers early, then ghosts you. Letting it self-seed everywhere equals accidental dill farm. 3. Lettuce, the shady sidekick. Why they help cucumbers. Lettuce acts like a live mulch, shades the soil, suppresses weeds, and loves the filtered light under cucumber vines. In return, it keeps roots cooler. Planting tips. Sow between rows or under trellised cukes, space about 4 to 6 inches apart. Prefers cooler temps, so get it in early or grow under partial shade. Mistakes to avoid. Not harvesting in time equals bolted, bitter lettuce jungle. Too little spacing equals airflow issues, slug heaven. Planting where cucumbers will sprawl without support equals lettuce will be crushed emotionally and literally. 4. Garlic, the pungent protector. Why it helps cucumbers. Garlic emits sulfur compounds that naturally repel aphids, spider mites, and beetles. It's like herbal bug spray built into your soil. Planting tips. Best planted in fall for summer harvest. Plant cloves 2 toe deep, 6 feet apart. Full sun, loose, rich soil. Can tuck it along bed edges or between cucumber trellises. Mistakes to avoid. Planting too shallow, you'll small, sad bulbs. Overwatering, you'll rot party. Harvesting too late, you'll cloves split and won't store well. 5. Sunflowers, nature's trellis plus bee magnet. Why they help cucumbers. Sunflowers attract pollinators and can be used as a living trellis for small fruited cucumber varieties. Double duty. Planting tips. Plant first, about 2 to 3 weeks before cucumbers. Space, 12 to 18 inches apart. Choose strong-stemmed varieties like Mammoth or Autumn Beauty. Train cucumber vines gently onto the stems. Mistakes to avoid. Choosing weak or ornamental sunflowers equals snapping under cucumber weight. Not staking tall ones equals they flop, cucumbers follow. Letting cukes climb too far equals shading themselves and other plants. 6. Marigolds, root defenders plus instant color. Why they help cucumbers. Marigolds repel nematodes, whiteflies, and aphids while adding vibrant color to your beds. They're basically floral security guards. Planting tips. Use French marigolds for best pest-repelling results. Space. 8 to 12 on 12 apart along the cucumber border. Full sun, regular deadheading for long bloom season. Mistakes to avoid. Using too few. One marigold won't stop the bug army. Overwatering equal mildew on lower leaves. Letting them dry out mid-season equal fewer blooms, less repellent action. 7. Borage, the cucumber whisperer. Why it helps cucumbers. Borage improves pollination, repels tomato hornworms and cabbage worms, bonus, and is believed to make cucumbers taste better. It's the flavor friend. Planting tips. Sow directly, 12-18 inches apart. Grows 1 to 2 feet tall. Don't crowd it. Loves full sun. Flowers are edible and bee magnets. Mistakes to avoid. Ignoring it, Gyoul's self-seeding garden takeover. Letting it block light to smaller crops. Planting too close to trellises. Borage leaves get huge. Chapter 8. Plants to avoid. Near cucumbers. Not all neighbors are friendly. Don't plant. Potatoes. Same soil depth equals nutrient battle and fungal disease spread. Melons. Compete for space, plus same pests, ill disaster. Aromatic herbs, like sage, basil, can stunt cucumber growth. Brassicas, like cabbage, cauliflower. Different soil, pH, and spacing needs. Why it matters. Bad companions equals less fruit, more disease, bug parties, and bitter cucumbers. Don't let one plant ruin the vibe. Chapter 9. General cucumber growing tips. So your vines don't lose their minds. Okay, you've picked your cucumber companions. Now let's make sure your cucumbers don't grow into drama vines of doom. Here are the key do's and don'ts for growing cucumbers like a garden boss. 1. Give them full sunlight. Cucumbers are sun lovers, like SPF 100 sunbathers. 6-8 hours minimum of direct sunlight per day, or your cukes will sulk. 2. Trellis for success. Vining varieties need something to climb. Trellising equals better airflow. Fewer diseases. Straighter fruits, aka no wild garden corkscrews. Pro tip. Bush varieties don't need trellises, but still like a little elbow room. 3. Consistent moisture is everything. Cucumbers get bitter if stressed. Think of them as garden divas that need hydration and emotional support. Water deeply 1 to 2 times per week. Mulch to keep the soil evenly moist. Morning watering equals dry leaves by night. No fungal pool party. 4. Feed that vine. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. Use compost at planting, then hit them with a balanced organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks once they start flowering. 5. Prune like you mean it. Pinch off side shoots near the base to encourage vertical growth. Remove yellowing leaves. They're not adding to the vibe. Common cucumber. Growing mistakes to avoid. Overcrowding. Poor airflow equals powdery mildew paradise. Inconsistent watering. Bitter fruit, split cucumbers, and trust issues. Ignoring pests, cucumber beetles and aphids, will turn your vines into crunchy sadness. Harvesting too late. Giant cucumbers are seedy and bitter. Pick 'em young and crunchy. When you choose the right companions, your cucumbers will grow faster, get fewer pests, produce more fruit, and look way better doing it. Comment Cuke Dream Team. If you're planting these combos this season, Get the strong Echo AI gardening app to lay out and optimize your cucumber companion strategy, so you grow smarter, not harder. Because in the garden, success is contagious. You can grow it.